Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. In today's video, I will be plucking a closure like you would a frontal. So if you would like to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So starting out, you're going to have this hairline that doesn't really look natural, so we're going to start plucking. So as you'll see, I'm just taking my comb and parting out a piece, and then behind where I parted, I'm going to just pluck up and down the hairline so that I don't create any bald spots. And this video is sped up and plucking is not this fast, so just make sure to take your time while you're doing this so you don't rip the lace. And I have parted back a piece of hair again, and honestly you're just going to keep doing this until you get the desired look that you would like. It's all based on preference, so if you like how the hairline looks, then you can keep it like that. But I'm going to continue plucking because this closure was really thick, and so I needed to thin it out a bit. And now I have plucked the hair back, but instead of plucking behind where I part, I'm going to pluck in the front part so that way I can thin the front part out a bit because it was looking really thick to me. So here I'm just taking my comb to see the progress that I've made, and I'm going to continue to pluck because I didn't like how it looked and I wanted it to be a little thinner. Now I'm going to pluck the part because, as I said before, this closure was really thick and it had a lot of small tiny hairs on it. So I'm just plucking the part just to make it a little more sharp. So now I'm just plucking the front hairline just to thin it out because it wasn't how I wanted it to look. So I'm just thinning out the front part. And as I said before, you just do this to your liking and your desire. And then I went back in to pluck some more in the middle of the closure because again, it wasn't how I wanted it to look. So now I have finished the one side, and you can see the difference between the two sides where I plucked and where I haven't. And then you're just going to do the same thing on the opposite side. And yeah, you're just going to pluck to the desired look that you have. And once you have done that, you are finished and you have plucked your closure like a frontal. And that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.